Welcome in. So anybody who's anybody seems to be recording covers of this Infinity Percussion 2026 opening snare solo. So I figured, let's teach you guys exactly how to play it, and you can go learn it for yourselves. We're going to go 2 bars at a time. We're going to go real slow down 160. I'm going to use the app to help me. I've uploaded it into the app as a custom import, and you can hear the pattern there. So first 2 bars, 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Real simple, one right and all left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, next 2 bars. Same sort of idea. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but you can see the second bar has got a pattern that's different because it goes. Let's have a little listen. So not too bad so far. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1, 2, 3, 4. It ends with an accent. Oops. 2, 3, 4. Then we're into a little bit of the meat. So this next 2 bars. So this first part, right? We've got Paradiddle-diddle. Paradiddle-diddle. But they haven't got an extra 3 notes. This happens a few times in this snare break, right? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to call this Paradiddle-diddle and a stop. Paradiddle-diddle and a stop. Paradiddle-diddle and a stop. Make sure you've not done these before. You do tens, maybe hundreds of these, so you can just get lots of them, right? So paradiddle-diddle and a stop. Paradiddle-diddle and a stop. Context, it goes 4 and 1. So we get this left-handed flam and another left hand. Well, there's actually going to be 4 notes there. It's going to go 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and. I believe it goes to the edge here. 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and. Which is basically left, 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 but a left-handed flam at the start. So we get that paradiddle-diddle and the stop, and then that. Then we get a nice little pattern, right? 5-stroke roll, digga digga that, or just 2 diddles, then 2 paradiddles into the middle. So diddle diddle paradiddle paradiddle stop, diddle diddle paradiddle paradiddle stop. So that whole thing, paradiddle diddle and a stop, left 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 left, diddle diddle paradiddle paradiddle stop. I'm gonna stop hitting my sticks together. Right, let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Next 2 bars. This is how it sounds. This is the fun bit. Okay, so here, Flam Drag section, right? Swiss Flam Drags are these. Right-handed flam, a double right, and a left. Sounds like this. If we take the flam off the first note, we get... And that's how this starts, right? So let's think Swiss Flam Drag, then a normal Flam Drag, which is going to put us onto our left hand. Right, so Swiss, normal, that's the first part of this. Think of it 2 3s, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, stop. Then we're going to get this pattern that's basically another left-handed flam drag, but there's 2 flams that start instead of 1. So let's call that, no, Flam Drag 4 or something. So Swiss, normal, 4. Swiss, normal, 4. Then we got this nice little pattern, these. And what's happening there is we're playing Swiss Army Flam Drags again. So flam, diddle, left. We're bringing all the lefts up on the last note. So 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, da, 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 da. So this is the part. 4. If we try up to 10, well, this is bear in mind, they play this about 220, right? We're down at 160. So when I say play this at tempo, I mean play it at 160. Okay, this time. 2, 3, 4. Then we're into more flam drags. You can see flam drag, if we call those others 4s, well, this is 5s. So it starts with those 3 flats. So we've got then one of those paradiddle and the stops, like we played at the start. The only difference being instead of just playing one accent like now, there's now. There's 2 there, so kind of drop it. So we've got the 2 5s, and it ends with 2 8th notes, which will be 4 and the next note actually is a quiet one, so it's 4 and 1, 4 and 1. So we're going to get this. Let's try it with the app. 2 3 4. 2 3 4. Oh, one part. There you go. Next up, nice little paradiddles. So what we got going on there? Well, we start with just diddle diddle. That's easy. Then we're into paradiddle stops. Paradiddle stops are this: paradiddle stop, paradiddle stop. So just get some of those going. Now, if we instead bring all the lefts up, they turn into grandmas. Same pattern, paradiddle stop, grandma. What we do is we alternate. We go paradiddle stop, a grandma, paradiddle stop, grandma. So that'll be this. And that's pretty quick when we get it all the way up to tempo, but the speed we're doing at the moment. And we end with, that's the end of the snare break. Rim shot. So again, 160. 2 3 4. 2 3 4. 2 3 4. Okay, I think it's time for the whole thing. Way down tempo, still at 160. See if we can hang together doing this. So 1, 2, 3, there we go. That's the whole thing. Let's do it once more. So 1, oh, my fault. 1, 2, 3. I think let's go 180. We're starting to get to a tempo, then we're starting to sound pretty cool. Let's do one more at that speed. 1, 2, ready, go. I think we'll max out today, let's say 200. Like I said, these guys are absolutely reefing this. It's like 220 somewhere up there they're playing it, right? Which means those lefts at the start are crazy fast, all right? But each day, a little bit faster, just like them, you'll get there, right? But let's try 200. Fun. 1, 2. So that, my friends, is how to play Infinity Snare Break 2026. If you're enjoying this, let me know. If you post it on Instagram, on anywhere, if you post it, tag me in. I want to see you guys playing it. If you enjoyed this, I'll see you in another lesson real soon. Thanks for watching.